Maxwell Chikumbutso recently announced the new vehicle from Scth Technology, set at a price of around $115,000, which is a huge contrast when compared to the Tesla Model Y's price of $4,634. Music. This video looks at the main reasons why this new car could actually be cheaper than a Tesla Model Y, assuming, of course, that the technology behind it is both real and works the way it has been claimed. One of the most critical elements in this discussion is the cost of the battery. For the Tesla Model Y, the large lithium-ion battery pack makes up close to 40% of the entire production cost. But Maxwell's so-called microsonic device is said to remove the need for a normal electric battery. Instead of depending on expensive, resource-demanding battery cells, this invention is claimed to create power from radio waves already present in the environment. If this claim is accurate, it cuts away the most costly part of an electric car and reduces the production price in a dramatic way. There would be no need to mine lithium, no complicated cooling systems, only a small device that, in theory, could keep the car running forever. If it really performs as explained, and if it truly keeps the car powered, then this would bring down the total cost of the Scth vehicle significantly, making it possible for them to sell the car at a far lower price than usual. There is also the issue of where the car is being manufactured. Maxwell Chikumbutso has said he is working with a Chinese company, and it is widely known that production in China usually costs less compared to making products in the United States, where Tesla builds its cars. In China, labor expenses, sourcing of raw materials, and the cost of day-to-day operations are generally cheaper. This difference strongly affects the final retail price of cars and other goods. On the other hand, in the United States, labor costs are much higher, environmental rules are tighter, and the cost of running factories is overall more expensive. That explains why cars made in the U.S., such as the Tesla Model Y, often come with a heavier price tag. Another important issue to look at is luxury pricing. American brands like Tesla tend to pack in premium elements such as advanced autopilot features, high-end interiors, and over-the-air upgrades. All these additions push the final price upward. By contrast, Chinese car makers are known for offering equal or sometimes even better technology at a lower price. Take BYD's electric cars, which are sold for thousands less than Tesla, while still matching many of its features. If Scth Technology is following this same style, their $115,000 model may come with simpler but practical technology without the brand markup. Yet the reality is, we still do not have clear details about what this Scth car actually offers. There are no official specifications, no real images of the interior, and no safety reports. This leaves a big question. Is any of it even genuine? No one has yet driven one of these vehicles for long distances without charging, and Maxwell's promises seem to go against the standard understanding of physics. Would a car priced at $115,000 that supposedly runs on infinite energy really exist without any independent testing, without the attention of international media, or without the financial support of major investors? The head of Zimbabwe Energy Council, engineer Scth Gata, was asked to comment on the matter, and here is what he had to say. He began by thanking Scth Technologies and the Higher Education Ministry for inviting him to speak at the launch of the first-ever prototype of a microsonic energy-powered car. According to him, this achievement marks a significant step towards solving the country's power problems. He also praised Maxwell for his hard work and dedication to his craft. He encouraged young Zimbabweans to follow Maxwell's example, embrace innovation, and contribute to the nation's development. Engineer Gata pointed out that Zimbabwe faces serious energy challenges, but this groundbreaking invention shows a possible solution. The car's ability to run on limitless radio waves is a game-changer and could provide sustainable transportation. He called on the government and investors to support Scth Technologies. Their success could improve Zimbabwe's energy situation and inspire other inventors. He expressed confidence that this locally developed technology will benefit the community, especially if given the right support and funding. He then emphasized the importance of science, mathematics, and technology education for the nation's youth. He urged parents and educators to encourage students to pursue careers in STEM fields, which are crucial for national development. To conclude, he said that the new car powered by radio waves is not only a source of pride for Zimbabwe, but also for the entire African continent. This achievement can help address the continent's energy challenges and position Africa as a player in green technology. The successful development of this car is a testament to what can be achieved when young people are supported and encouraged to pursue their dreams. With dedication and a focus on science and technology, Zimbabwe and Africa as a whole can continue to make strides towards a brighter future.